This is TheHelpscreen and this is how to fix MoneyGram app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you 3 solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store, and then from here just search for MoneyGram, and guys, make sure you are running the latest version of the app, and when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now guys, for the second solution, just go to the settings on your device. And then over here guys, just go to the apps. And then over here on the apps, just go for the MoneyGram application. So just tap on it. And then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there guys, you should be able to fix your MoneyGram application. And now, if the solutions I provided doesn't work, the third solution that you have is reinstall MoneyGram on your device. So first, uninstall MoneyGram on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, you should have a working MoneyGram application on your device. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching guys. See ya!